Hi, this is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to send this quick video just to go over a few things that you can do to utilize your website and your Google business profile so that you'll show up on Google more. So a couple things that I noticed looking at your site. Looks like all the links are clickable, and that's really, really great. One thing that I would recommend is content. So Google does like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words at least on your homepage. The reason for that is that you can, throughout all that content, you can strategically place keywords. What a keyword is, that is, think about what your clients are going to search in Google to find you. Those are the keywords that you want all throughout your content. It's your way of just telling Google, here's what I want to show up for, what searches I want to show up for. So Google really, they operate off of words. And so, if you think your clients are searching Suffolk County, Mass, that's great. But what they're actually searching is each town that they live in. So while you do have your service areas back here, you want to have those listed on your front page as well, or create a page for each service area so that it'll show up. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let's see. So I put your site into a tool that I use. This basically shows me the analytics of how you're doing on Google. This is the strength and the trust that you have with Google. Anywhere around 30 or higher is considered pretty strong. The way that you boost these numbers is through backlinks. What a backlink is, that is any time that your website is linked to another site and it's pointing direction back to you. So we call that they're linked by these referring domains, but not all referring domains are created equal. Some are spammy, some have a lot more authority. So you do want to go after the ones that are more authoritative and relative to your niche. So right now, out of these 6 domains, only 2 of them are actually helping you. The other 4 are just there. You aren't ranking for any keywords right now. So at the moment, you're not getting any real hits to your site a month. So I did see that you service Cambridge, Mass. So I went ahead and searched for landscapers in Cambridge so we can see what comes up. So this right here, this is called the Google Maps area. This is where your Google business profile comes into play. You want to do what you can to rank in the top 3 in the areas that you service, because 30 to 40% of the people who search are going to click right on one of these. Now, ways that you can do that: when you fill out your Google business profile, make sure that it is filled out completely, especially the about section on the bottom. You want that fully optimized with keywords. Number 2, anytime you get a business review on Google, make sure you respond to every one of them. Most businesses don't know that they should be doing that. The most important one is citations. So a citation is any time that your business name and address are listed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. You want to go out and get your business listed in as many directories as possible. There are thousands of them out there. And the truth is Google is just a big popularity contest. And then the final one would be posting branded and geotagged photos to your profile weekly. That really helps you show up. So this is called the organic section. The top competitor that comes up is Cambridge Landscapes. Let's take a look. So this is their site, but what we really care about is how they're doing on the back end. So they have got really high numbers, and that's because they have 18,000 backlinks coming from 247 referring domains. So the idea is that you want to come in here, see what referring domains your competitors have got backlinks coming from, and not only match them by 100 but list them by 100 referring domains. So they're getting 170 clicks to their site a month, and that's because they're ranking for 113 keywords. Now with keywords, we look at 2 different types. There's branded or informational, and then there's local buyer intent. And that is, what are the people in your area searching to find you? So right here, landscaping Cambridge, that is searched 450 times a month. They're getting 78 of those clicks a month because they're ranked number 2. Cambridge Landscaping is searched 450 times a month as well. They're getting 40 of those clicks because they're ranked number 2 for that search. And the same applies, if it's right here, landscaping company Boston, they're getting 150 of those clicks. because, or sorry, they're searched 150 times. They're only getting one of those though because they're ranked number 17. So there is room to grow in there. But the same would apply for Peabody or any of the other areas that you service. You want to come in, find what your competitors are ranking for, and use those same keywords. So it is really helpful to be able to check out the competition so that you can find those referring domains and those keywords and make sure they're listed on your site as well. I hope that this has been helpful. Again, it's just a really great way to utilize your website and your Google business profile to help you rank on Google so that you can be found by those who are looking for you. We would love to hear your feedback and have a great day.